In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up daily goals and targets in Close.com. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Close CRM does not currently include a built-in daily quota feature where you can assign a target, like a certain number of calls for the day, and watch a live progress bar update automatically. Instead, the most practical way to manage daily goals in Close is by using activity reports, along with tasks and related reporting tools. First, log in to your Close account. Once you're inside the platform, head over to the Reports section. For this process, the recommended option is Activity Reports, because this is where you can track daily performance and compare activity over time. When the report opens, click on the current date range, which may be set to this week. This filter helps you control what time period you're reviewing. To focus specifically on daily output, change that setting from this week to today. This gives you a clean view of the activity completed during the current day. Next, click on Compare To. This feature is useful when you want to measure today's performance against another period. From there, choose a custom date range. In the example shown, the custom comparison begins on July 29th and goes through July 30th. This comparison feature helps you evaluate activity across a specific time frame, which can be useful for checking whether daily effort is improving, staying consistent, or falling behind expectations. After selecting the custom dates, click Apply. Once the report refreshes, you'll see the updated data based on the time filters you just selected. From here, you can add a tile to the report. Adding a tile allows you to highlight a specific activity metric so it's easier to monitor at a glance. In this example, select Contacted. This is a helpful metric if your daily goal is centered around outreach volume, since it shows how many leads or contacts were actually reached. Once the tile is set up the way you want, click Save As, then rename the report. In this example, it's renamed to New Activity. After that, click Save to store the customized report for future use. As a best practice, many Close users combine several features to create a practical daily goal system. Smart Views help organize today's leads. Tasks keep daily work structured. Activity reports measure what has been completed. Dashboards help monitor performance in real time, and workflows can automate reminders and follow-up actions when needed. Together, this setup creates a solid system for tracking daily goals, even without a native quota tracker. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.